Two companies control the world, and yet you don't know who they are. When we think of the world's most powerful companies, we often think of Apple, Google, or Amazon. However, these companies are ants compared to the two behemoths that are BlackRock and Vanguard. BlackRock and Vanguard are the two most powerful investment funds in the world, with over 15 trillion in assets under management, or roughly 5 times the GDP of France. So how do these two companies control the world? Quite simply, Vanguard and BlackRock own shares in all the world's most powerful companies. They are the leading shareholders in Google, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Microsoft. They are financial monsters. They own absolutely everything. It's simple. Every time you do something, you make BlackRock and Vanguard richer. Watch Netflix, you make Vanguard richer. You go on Instagram, you make BlackRock richer. You buy an iPhone, you make Vanguard richer. And the most terrifying thing is that when you make Vanguard richer, you also make BlackRock richer. After all, the two companies are each other's largest shareholders.